In this video, I'll be sharing the places we visited and the things we did during our 48 hours in Zurich, so you won't miss these spots when you visit. From scenic boat rides on Lake Zurich and strolling through the charming streets of Old Town, to discovering hidden gems, iconic landmarks, and even filming locations from the hit Korean drama Crash Landing on You. This guide is perfect for first-time travelers looking to make the most of their Zurich adventure. Our trip to Zurich was filled with charm, history, and unforgettable sights. Here's a glimpse of the incredible places we explored. This is where you'll find St. Jakob Church, a peaceful spot with a simple yet striking architectural style located right in the heart of the city. For food, we grabbed some pasta and ice cream from a place called Chain. It's right near St. Jakob Church in Zurich. The pasta is served in a box and made right in front of you, which adds to the casual street food vibe. There is a self-service station where you can add olive oil, Parmesan cheese, chili, salt, and pepper, which is a nice extra touch. We also had their homemade matcha and pistachio ice cream, which made for a fun and refreshing finish. While the food was not the most exceptional we've had, it was quick, affordable, and satisfying for a casual meal. This area is part of the Old Town and is packed with cafes, restaurants, and shops, and is a great place to grab a bite. We wandered through the historic district filled with cobblestone streets, cute boutiques, and medieval buildings. Then we went to this charming little bridge, which is one of the most scenic crossings in all of Zurich. It connects both sides of the Old Town, right between two famous churches, which is the Frohmannstall on one end and Grossmannstall on the other. The site was featured in the Korean drama Crash Landing on You, making it a popular stop for fans of the show. With classic street lamps and peaceful views of the Limmat River, it is a great place to pause and take in the city. Right here on Münsterbrücke Bridge, we spotted the Hans Waldmann statue. He was a powerful mayor and military leader in Zurich back in 1400s. Then we went to Mühlesteg Bridge. Mühlesteg Bridge is also known as Zurich's Love Lock Bridge. It's covered with thousands of colorful padlocks, each one left by couples from all around the world. The idea is super romantic. You lock your love to the bridge, then toss the key into the river as a symbol of forever. We didn't bring our locks, so it's definitely on our list for next time. We also climbed up to the Lindenhof hill for some incredible views of the city. Lindenhof Hill is located right in the middle of Zurich's Old Town. It is easy to reach on foot, and while the walk up is short, the panoramic views of the city, the Limmat River, and the churches below are totally worth it. It is the perfect place to take a break, enjoy the scenery, or have a little picnic. The site was also featured in the Korean drama Crash Landing on You, making it a popular stop for fans of the show. You might even see locals playing giant chess under the trees. We took a boat ride across Lake Zurich, which offered stunning views of the city, skyline, and the lakefront neighborhoods. This beautiful lake is one of the best spots to relax and enjoy the natural side of the city. For food, we enjoyed a traditional Swiss sausage at a stand near Lake Zurich, served with a very firm bread roll, though I wasn't sure if it was intentionally that hard or just overbaked.
How was it, babe? It's good.
For drinks, we bought our own water bottles to avoid spending extra on bottled water, especially since public water fountains are everywhere in Zurich, offering clean, fresh drinking water for free. It is a simple and sustainable way to stay hydrated while exploring the city.
Where we get water from.
Then we passed through this amazing station, which is actually the largest train station in Switzerland. And honestly, it's more than just a place to catch a train. The architecture is beautiful, especially the massive main hall with its high arch ceilings. And there's this colorful angel sculpture just floating above everyone. If you are into photos, this place is a gem. We planned to visit Landesmuseum, but we arrived after they had closed. So we explored Platzspitz Park instead, which is located just behind the building. We stumbled upon a stunning patch of pink flowers in full bloom, which is the perfect spot for a quick photo. To top off the visit, my boyfriend and his dad ended the day with a fun match using the park's giant chess set, adding a playful twist to our spontaneous detour.